Good morning, dear student. Through this point, we are going to summarize today's topic. This was the age of social changes in Europe. Today we have discussed. This was the society divided into 6 parts. Society mostly divided in liberals, radicals, and conservatives. Or these are the others who support the socialism, industries and social changes, socialism in Europe, and socialism given support. All these topics are given in your book according to the orders. So liberals, who are the liberals? In short point we can say men should have right to vote, means that they support to the right to vote for the only men. Parliamentary system should be in countries, but right to vote for only men. They support to the tolerated all religions, सब religions को एक जैसा treat किया जाए. तो these are the two ideas given by the liberals. And radicals, रूल ऑफ मेजोरिटी ऑफ द कंट्रीज पॉपुलेशंस, ये सपोर्ट करते थे कि जो रूल ऑफ कंट्री के अंदर वो एक जो मेजोरिटी में जो पॉपुलेशन है उसके बेस पे होना चाहिए. दे अपोज द प्रिविलेजेस ऑफ लैंड ओनर्स, जो स्पेशल राइट्स होते हैं लैंड ओनर्स को, ये उनके अगेंस्ट है. थर्ड आइडियाज़ ऑफ रेडिकल्स, दे सपोर्ट टू द राइट टू वोट फॉर वुमेन. So these are the 3 points those radicals supported: rule of majority of country populations, they opposed to the privileges of the landowners, and right to vote for women. Third one is the conservatives, or they give only one idea कि past has to be respected and changes had to be brought, a slow process. हमें पास्ट का रेस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए और जो चेंजेस सोसाइटी में आते हैं ये एक स्लो प्रोसेस में हमें चेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. तो दिस वाज द आइडिया गिवन बाय द कंजर्वेटिव्स. फोर्थ वन, इंडस्ट्रीज एंड सोशल चेंजेस. Here I have write the points in short form. Industries and social changes, period of social and economical changes. So this was the period in Russia. सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल चेंजेस, सोसाइटी में चेंजेस आ रहा था. इकोनॉमिकल चेंजेस के अंदर इंडस्ट्रीज सेटअप हो रही थी, वहाँ का इन्वायरमेंट चेंज हो रहा था, लेबर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट बढ़ती जा रही थी फैक्ट्रीज़ के अंदर, और सोसाइटी के अंदर सोशलिज्म की फीलिंग्स डे बाय डे बढ़ती जा रही थी. तो दिस वाज द पीरियड ऑफ सोशल and economical changes. And what they demanded for the low wages, means the wages should be fixed and workers pushed to the factories. बहुत सारे वर्क्स अपने एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए, अपने लाइवलीहुड्स के लिए दे ज्वाइन द फैक्ट्रीज, दे पुश टू द फैक्ट्री साइड, चाइल्ड एंड वुमेन्स. तो दिस वाज द पीरियड वी हैव डिस्कस इंडस्ट्रीज एंड सोशल चेंजेस. Fifth point is socialism in Europe. Socialism in Europe, idea of the private property, means they were against the idea of private properties, and they support to the cooperative sectors. कि cooperative sector means the property should be controlled by the socialism, and they support to the Karl Marx ideas. Those we have discussed already in details. Last one is the socialism given support. So which were the nation in the Europe continents which support to the socialism? Socialism support to the better living condition. Socialism support to the better living conditions, Germany and England formed the association and the workers union. So I am closing my lectures, and today's your question: name the unions formed in German. What was the union name in German formed by the workers? So today you will mark your attendance along with your answer. Thank you.